this is Dr. Don. We're going to walk through Task 9 of the Module 8 Tableau assignment. This is how it should look when we get through. We've got a new view here called Profit Ratio by Quarter. Nice bar chart. We've got a target line up there. We've got it color-coded for good and bad. And we've got a filter for regions, and we can set the profit ratio KPI target right here if we want. So let's build this. First thing we're going to do is add a new blank worksheet, and we want to change the name of it, so I'm going to click right there, and we're going to make it profit ratio by quarter. Pasted that in, and I'm going to click OK. And we've got our name up there, profit ratio by quarter. Next, we're going to do task 9.3 and 9.4. We're going to add the order date field up here to columns. And then we're going to change it from a continuous measure down to, a discrete to a continuous measure. Next, we're going to add the profit ratio, which is right there, to the row shelf. And then we're going to go over here to the marks tile, and we're going to change this automatic to bar. Next, in task 9.7, we're going to change this order date pill, and I'm going to click on the down arrow, and we want to go from year, which is the default there, and we want to go to quarter, but we want to go to the quarter year, which this example there says Q2 2015. So I'm going to select that. Next, in task 9.8, we're going to add a reference line for the profit ratio KPI target parameter down here. So we do that by clicking on the profit ratio, left clicking I should say, and we add a reference line, and we want it drop down here to the profit ratio target, and we click OK. Next, we want to add the KPI profit ratio field to the color marks tile. Next, we're going to take the region fill and add it to the filters shelf up here, and then we want to select south so we'll have something to begin to show. Then click OK. And then we want to show it so that the people viewing our story later on can also select. So I'm going to click on the drop down, and I want to show the filter on our screen. Next, we want to clean up this region filter over here, the way it'll show to our viewers. I'm going to click on the drop down, and we want to go to single value drop down. In task 9.10, we want to add this filter not only to this view, but we want to add it to another view. So I'm going to click on the drop down, apply to worksheets, and then I'm going to go to selected worksheets, and we're going to add it to the profit ratio by state view, and click OK. And finally, we want to add this profit ratio KPI target to show on the sheet as well. So I'm going to click the drop down, and we want to show the parameter, not add it to the sheet. And we can see over here we've got our KPI target. So this completes this profit ratio by quarter view, and of course you want to save your work as you go.